Shelby, you're such a mess. You're such a mess. How do you stay so clean? You don't run around in the mud? Sid, drop it. Good girl. Come here, Sid. Leave it. Leave it. Sid, come here. Come here, Sid. Sid, leave it. Drop it. Drop it. Leave it. Good girl. Sid, leave it. Oh, Sid.
Sydney. No, Sid. Sydney.
Trina.
Hey,
Otis.
Put my foot in.
Oh, you have some huckleberry. You want some huckleberry. Come on, guys. Get out of the mud hole.
I feel like that's what we want to do.
Yeah, these two. Sid, come on. Why don't we go inside, see who's in here? Just Max, chilling on the bed. Just a Max. Where's your partner in crime? Where's your partner in crime? Right there. Hi, Bar. Hi, Otis. Somebody's singing to us. Who's singing to us? Who is it? Who is it? Finally decided to get up. Sid.
Thank you.
Come on, Huckleberry. Riley. Come on, handsome. Hi, handsome.